by using our injected system, putting hydrogen into the engine, we see some really good results. We see a fuel reduction, and we're expecting reductions to reach up to around 20% in actual fuel saving. But the great thing about it is we see a reduction in greenhouse gases. And in fact, the government have published figures that say for every litre of diesel you save quite a bit of greenhouse gases. We also see a reduction in smoke and in particulate matter. So particulate matter is the chemical that gets into people's lungs and causes cancer. It's carcinogenic. So we see a reduction in that. It's particularly important in mining applications because the diesel smoke gets through the closed environments and can cause a lot of health risks. So using this system, we're getting a 49% reduction in smoke at the moment and a 50% reduction in other particulates that come out of the diesel. So behind me, we've got a 250 kilovolt generator, and this is the typical size of generators that we see in a lot of industries. Some of the bigger industries might run 2 or 3 of these generators together, or a bigger generator. So from that, using our equipment, we've been able to get some great results. For example, in smoke reduction and opacity, we've seen a definite 40% reduction, and in fact in some of our testing we've seen up to 50%, and that will vary from generator to generator. So we've seen that by analysing the amount of fuel that the generator is using, the amount of hydrogen the generator is using, we've been able to calculate that 300 figure. So currently from our testing, we've seen results in actual fuel saving of 11%. In previous testing we've seen savings of 17–18% on other equipment. So I think we're being very conservative in saying that we can see reductions of up to 20% fuel savings. In fact, on different equipment, I would expect that we'd see more. So what this means, as an example with this 250 kilovolt generator, is approximately a $90,000 a year fuel saving. And of course, with bigger equipment as well, that cost saving expands as well. So on the bigger equipment, an operator would expect to see much more of a fuel saving and greater fuel saving. We've been doing testing with our 250 kilovolt generator. We use a lot of accurate equipment because I wanted our results to be repeatable and accurate. As an example, when we're doing our testing, we get the air pressure. So from the Bureau of Meteorology, every test we take the air pressure. So we have recordable and repeatable results. So we have our 250 kilovolt generator. That's not a brand new generator. It's been used, it has a few thousand hours on it because we wanted a realistic piece of equipment. But what we've done is we've had purpose-built and a commercially built load system. So when we're running the generator, we are putting on an exact load every time. So every test is repeatable. We know that we can go with our testing equipment all the way from adding 1 kilovolt of load to the generator all the way to 250 kilovolts of load. So we're getting accurate, repeatable tests every time.